Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at how to use Sudoku as a manipulative to teach kindergartners cardinality with numbers 1 through 9. So we're going to look at the board here. It's just like the standard Sudoku for adults, except it's made easier by being color coordinated and only leaving out maybe 2 to 3 squares max. So it's not as hard for them to figure out. What you can also do is if you use Velcro straps or Velcro paper, you can put the missing numbers right next to that square so they don't have to scan this too much to find where the missing pieces are. So it's modifiable. You can modify it to suit the needs of various students. So we're going to start here with this first square, and we notice that we're missing a 3 and a 1. So what we're going to teach the students to do is look to the side and look down, and what's missing? Or what's already there. So we notice that there's a 3 right here and a 3 right here. That's why we're missing a 3 up top here. Okay, so they're using logic. They're figuring out why things are the way they are. But we also notice there's already a 3 on this column, and there's already a 1 on this column. So the 1 can't go here because there can only be 1 through 9 not repeating in one column, and there can only be, that's the same thing on this column. So we know that the 1 needs to go here and the 3 needs to go there. So you can use Velcro paper that's laminated. For right now, just for example, I'm using the whiteboard just to give you an idea. So we're going to put 1 right here and 3 right here. And then we're going to check our work. So we're going to scan. Is there any repeating numbers? Nope. Nope. So far, so good. No repeating numbers. No repeating numbers and so forth. So we're going to move on to the next square, this green square right here. And we notice that we're missing a 9 and a 1. So we're going to use the same strategy. We're going to see that there's already a 9 right here. Is there a 9 up here? We don't know. Is there any 1s? We don't know. So we're not going to use the sideways columns and rows to check. We're going to use up and down. Okay. So we don't have any of those. So we're going to move on to another square. Okay, we're also missing 9, 1, and 5 on here. Same thing, we're going to use the same strategy. We already see that there's a 9 right here. So we're not going to put the 9 right here or right here. So we know that the 9 has to go up here. And again, if this is getting too tough for them, you can always just have like 2 squares missing, or even 1 square to start off and then make it harder. But we're basically just showing them that no matter how you stack the numbers, there's always going to be 9 squares by 9, and they have to use problem-solving skills to solve the puzzle. Okay, so moving on. So we need a 1 and a 5. We notice down here there's already a 5, so that means that the 1 has to go there. And the 5 has to go here. And again, we're going to check our work. Very important, make sure there's no repeating numbers that we just wrote. So I don't see a 9 and a 5 down here. I don't see a 1 down here. So these 2 squares are looking good. Okay, and then you can erase these. Make sure you don't put them again. And so you're going to complete this whole 9 by 9 board until it's all the way through. And the students are going to check their work by making sure it's there's no repeating numbers, and that's it. And they're gonna have fun solving the puzzle. And again, you can modify it however you want. You can make it larger print, any way you want to do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching.